going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I want to show you another cash out on this app, Pogo. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this app because literally all you're doing here is claiming points. The points come from purchases that you made over the past few days or whatnot. It's very simple. So all you do is come in here and click claim and watch the points add up. Sometimes when you claim the points, they will send you like not even a survey. It's more like, 1 or 2 questions. You just answer it. Doesn't matter how you answer it. You just click submit and then you'll get your points just like that. You do not have to do that for all the points, but it is for some of them, just just how they do things basically. But like I said, all you're doing is claiming the points, and then sometimes you have to answer the question. And you just continuously watch the points add up into your account. It is very, very simple. This isn't a thing where you just qualify for it or not. It's just, you just answer it, whatever. I don't even think you have to answer, but I just do it anyway. Just continue. Right down here, they have a health survey, 15 points. Now, this might be a little bit more questions, but, it's not a long survey. It's usually like 2 or 3 questions. I get this maybe like once every couple days a night. And I just answer it, accordingly. And once I'm done with this, I should get 15 points. Like I said, it's something that you can complete. It won't be a disqualification type thing. And I'll click submit, and you see there the 15 points is in my account. So very, very simple to use. Some other things you can do down here, you can scan receipts. So I'll scan a receipt real quick. I'm just making sure I get the full receipt in the picture. And for every receipt that you scan, you get 1 cent. So just make sure the date, the total, and the merchant can be seen. After that, you click this blue check mark at the bottom, and then wait for them to credit you to 10 points, which is, 1 cent. And just like that, you can close it. Other things you can do here is scrolling down. You see with the receipts, they have streaks that you can do. So you can get 40 points if you keep scanning. Sometimes you can get 50, 60. It just depends on, what they got going on as far as their challenges. But, very easy way to accumulate your points. Now, in order to get points, you need to link your card, your debit card. So you see there where I have it. All you basically do is put in your card information, and that way you can keep track of the points that you get. So when it comes to cashing out, they have 2 different options. You can use gift cards or PayPal. Both of them come instantly. So I usually choose PayPal. And when it comes to PayPal, they will ask you to verify your account just to, make sure you're the right person, to prevent fraud. You know how people like to hack and stuff these days. So they just want to be very careful and very sure. So every time you cash out, you will be asked to verify your account. They basically send you a text message, something like that. And then you'll just basically redeem your money however you choose. So me, it's PayPal. So I'll click on PayPal. And just like that, my cash out was successful. And like I said, they do come instantly. But after you cash out, they'll always send you some different offers that you can choose from. I think that's really cool. Something you can sign up for. You can claim it. You can click no things, however you want to do it. But every time you cash out, they will offer you something. So just kind of take a look and see if it's something that you actually want to use. All right. So just like that, that's very easy. So now I want to show you the payment proof that I received from them. So I'm going to go into my PayPal account, and you'll see here I got $6,057 sent from this app right to my PayPal account. So it is legit. They do pay. It is something that I've been using for, I would say, well over a year now. So I'm, accumulating points, cashing out instantly. You can't beat that. Very app to use. The app is in the description. It is completely free. You can download it on your iPhone, your Android, whatever it is. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.